In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Facebook Pixel with WooCommerce on WordPress. This integration is a great way to track your audience's interactions and improve your marketing strategies. So let's dive in and get started. First, we need to access the backend of your WordPress site. To do this, log into your WordPress admin dashboard. Once you're in, look to the left-hand menu to find the Plugins tab. Hover over it and select Add New from the drop-down menu. This is where you can add all sorts of new features and functionalities to your site. Next, you'll want to search for the plugin called Facebook for WooCommerce. This plugin is essential because it helps bridge your WooCommerce store with your Facebook business account, facilitating better engagement and sales tracking. In the search bar, type in Facebook for WooCommerce. Once you see it appear among the results, click on Install Now. It might take a few seconds, but once it's finished, be sure to click Activate to get things up and running. Now that the plugin is installed and activated, let's move on to configuring the settings. Navigate to the Marketing tab in the WordPress dashboard and then select Facebook. Here you'll see a big Get Started button. Click on it to initiate the connection process between your WooCommerce store and your Facebook account. During this setup, you'll be redirected to Facebook where you need to authorize the connection. This step is crucial, so make sure you are logged into the correct Facebook profile associated with your Business Manager account. Facebook will guide you through selecting the appropriate settings, including your Business Manager, Facebook page, and if needed, your Instagram profile. Additionally, you'll have options to select your product catalog and commerce account. Most importantly, ensure you select your Facebook pixel here. This pixel is vital for tracking customer interactions across your site. While going through these prompts, make sure to enable automatic advanced matching. This will enhance data accuracy and match people visiting your site with their Facebook profiles for more relevant ad targeting. Be sure all relevant options are turned on for improved data matching. Finally, once you've selected your settings, confirm the connection. The Facebook for WooCommerce plugin is smart enough to automatically integrate the Conversions API during this setup process, which means you don't have to worry about additional technical steps. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully integrated Facebook Pixel with WooCommerce on WordPress. This integration will provide you with insightful data and help optimize your advertising efforts. Thanks for watching and happy optimizing.